Is that a joint?
Oh my god, it's going down. Chat, look out. 45,000, 24,000. Oh, brace for impact. I love you, chat. What's going on? Oh my god. Chat, what do we do now? I'm stranded. Literally stranded.
Is that a joint?
All right, here we go. All right, let's get back, chat. Let's get back in space, man. Okay, grab my beer, autopilot. Let's go. In the wormhole. Let's right now. Boom.
Chat, we back from space into Gartley XL. Welcome. You don't even want to know how many Imperial credits I had to spend to get this thing going, man. But happy to be back. A lot's changed in space since the last time we were here, but I'm pretty sure Bitcoin's price is not that. Bitcoin's same price it was at in January of 2021, so store value or something. So this is a test stream, right? This is my dude. I'm back, and it's like you gotta be like empathetic here. so many like bugs and kinks are probably going to happen. I can't even do like the major cinematics. I haven't even started with that. Had to go in and redo everything, and it was awful. Oh, House Harmonic, I gotta change that. Wow, takes me back. But yeah, bounty hunters, we don't need that scum. All right, flat today, down 0.02%. You want to do something? Y'all want to? I don't know, man. Y'all want to go to? I know y'all's time's valuable, but it's like, come on, dude. Let's go to Hyperdrive one time, just because Bitcoin made it to 30K, right? So making the jump. T7, allocate the resources for that. Thank you so much. And Hyperdrive in effect. Okay, so we're good there. No failure on the Hyperdrive for the test. Nice. Just want to make sure all good on your side. Okay. Get the chats there. And we will go to the main chart screen. Okay. Yeah, so not much difference here, except for the stars. If it's too annoying, very easy to remedy. Use the force. Hold on, let me try that. Let me try to use the force real quick, okay? Let me try to turn off the stars. I'm concentrating. Gosh dang it, dude. I don't know, man. I'm still trying. Alright. It worked. So, no breakout. Clearly, the level of inflection is being tested and respected once again. But if you break this level, that's where leave the imagination of $6,000 to $10,000 increase in value. That's a low liquidity area. The big, I would say the general consensus area where people would have a lot of sell orders set up strategically would be, again, $40,000 to $42,000 based on history. History tells us that it's a straight up, straight down situation almost every time. So that's where you are. You are poised for a breakout again, but just remember, one time no one knows. The second time maybe everyone knows if this fails. So this is something to really pay attention to here. This level. I mean, it's a great run, but double tops happen all the time. It's so common. Same with double bottoms. So this could be the same. Just pay attention to the price action we receive in the coming week or two, because it's going to be important, man. Oh yeah, I forgot how many people in here in this community have never even seen a spaceship stream before. That's crazy, dude. Y'all don't even know what happens when someone like tips or something. It's crazy. Well, it's not crazy, but it had never really been done before back then. Still, I don't think to this day anyone's taken it to this level. But yeah, so that's big one. Let's go to Ethereum. Again, bear with me. I need an audio check too. Make sure. I think we're probably too loud on something. Mods. Audio's actually good. Really? I feel like. Okay. It's pretty okay. If it's pretty okay, then I'm okay. So Ethereum that broke out of the falling wedge yesterday. No back test, no follow through really yet. Has yet to see 1972-2043 its own mega inflection zone. You think you'd test that, if anything, even if you failed and jumped to zero, but not even making a higher high yet. It would be nice to see, man, if we got like a back test of 1744 or something like that, that'd be crazy. Like a spring, back test of spring. Could be like an entry for a trade or something like that. Just nothing really yet. And right at that bullish control zone threshold again.
Spaceship Street.
Oh, look out! Oh no, did I not set this up? What the? I thought I set it all up.
Crazy cool. Respect.
Gosh.
0.000259444
Dang it, dude.
BTC.
I knew it, man. You can never get everything. You can never do it. Do it again. Do it again, I dare you. Thank you, Rob. And thank you. Oh, okay. Good God. Thank you, AJ Productions for the 20. Thank you, dude. Holy crap. Look out! T7, get in here! Turn off the deflector shields! Okay, see, that's all I was going for. We can't have nice things. Remember, like, you have to do so much for every scene to each one of these different scenes, so. Alright, alright. This is not legendary, by the way. This is a test stream, dude. A test stream. So much stuff has not even been set up yet. I don't know, dude. Did you see Jerome Powell today getting scolded by Pocahontas? You know what he said back to her?
We're not going to run out of ammunition.
Exactly. Alright, so let's, gosh, go back. Let's get these charts going. Again, it's a test stream. I can't even believe this, dude. Like, really? Alright. So yeah, not 060. Okay, that's Ethereum. A breakout yesterday was amazing, pretty anticlimactic today. Let's go to BNB. That's down 3% because guess what? All this pumpage is coming because the big institutions have shown their hand finally after probably acquiring what they needed. And this is the direct competitor. This is the direct target. Virtually this entire thing, this entire war on altcoins and crypto. It's been Binance going to take them down. So this is not price action you're looking for after a formal back test of a key inflection point from history that is undeniable. Why are you bearish engulfing when Bitcoin's doing nothing? Or Ethereum's doing nothing? XRP is doing kind of nothing, down 0.86%. Look, man, the oscillators reset. Right, it was the lowest relative strength reading since December of 2018. That happened recently. Okay, so when you're that severely oversold, guess what? Oscillators reset. The RSI will reset. What does a reset mean? The selling will cease for a little bit of time for the RSI to get back out of oversold territory, which would be considered 30 here. All right, but when you're below 40 or below, that's the bearish control zone. So you're still contained within that, and you're sitting at 33.5, not oversold in the bearish control zone after the oscillator reset. That's not a good place to be. You don't want to be there, man. So it does seem very possible that, oh my God, and just think about it. If you do really start rolling over here soon, I mean, and it doesn't even have, you could continue to meander on up, but it's inevitable. It's pretty much imminent. You were going to see, oh God, I can't use the stuff, man. I can't use it, man. I was too focused on just getting it going, and I screwed up. Completely forgot this one. Let me see here. I'll be able to like see if I can high IQ this, dude. Can I high IQ it? Probably not. Dude, I could do it maybe. So much work. God. Sorry. We'll get back on track. This is stupid. I shouldn't even be doing this right now. It's my fault. Okay. And then this. It shouldn't be. Dash. Again, this is a test stream, by the way, so just like, I know, leave the building or the spaceship, but make sure you have your space suit on, otherwise it could get real bad. Could end up like what happened. I mean, that submarine thing, good God, dude. I don't know, I would have taken one look at that thing and been like, I'm not going inside of that thing, okay? Just kind of intuition here. So, how's everyone doing today? Y'all good? Sorry. Oh, almost done here, dude, for real. And we might be able to do this. So close. One more. Okay, all right. Maybe we can give it a try. Maybe it'll work. Maybe. Okay. Might be okay.
Got lasers?
Look out!
Their mugs. Can we look at Palps and Coin? Have a go after Good, sir.
That work? Look at you! Did that work? I didn't even see it. So, probably didn't. It does work? Wow, that's great news. Okay, so we can be in the spaceship in the chart screen. No problem. Stars on or off? One for on? No. I don't know. Yeah, one for on, two for off. I mean, imagine going to a stream and the stars are embedded in the chart. Where are you gonna find that? In this world we live, like, where are you gonna find it? You have to go to like another galaxy somewhere. So good luck, BNB. The whole reason the market's pumping is because you are the centerpiece. You are the whipping boy of the SEC and the big institutions laughing at you, because the institutions own the SEC and the government, obviously, right? BlackRock runs the world. Go watch that O'Keefe Media Group hidden camera. Good God, man, they do. It's like we all knew, but now it's like there's a dude that works at BlackRock that's just telling us everything, and it's now certain. Okay. Let's go to XRP, down 1%. You know, I mean, just hidden bullish divergence is there, testing this key 50-cent level, not the wrapper, the inflection point on XRP from June of 2019. No breakout, right? You break it, man. You know, you're going straight to the neck. There's just a couple. It's like Bitcoin at 28.8 and 31K. XRP has like, you know, 50 cents to 56 cents, a couple levels that have been regarded, respected in time. So here you are, just at it. Still good. I mean, there's no problem until the sellers push the price below the previous discernible low from May 9th. That's it. That's all that's happening right now. Hopefully, I mean, just Bitcoin continues to ascend. I think this hidden bullish divergence will play out. You know, one of your best looking ones out there that are like high market cap, right? Most of the higher market cap coins are garbage technically. I don't care what they do.
The other side. Can we please take a look at the
Good God.
Swamp? It is the last shitcoin of all the shitcoins to ever exist. It will be the dog coin killer. The 4-hour and the 12-hour.
Oh, will it? Will it be the dog coin killer
appreciate
since
the
it
TA.
needs to be killed? It's doing that on its own, man. Like, or is Dogcoin even really alive? I mean, it's just an asset. What's up, Solta?
They destroy Binance, then minus 50% crash incoming. On Scoins, not BTC, of course. Great space stream. Good that it's not Titanic stream. Viking.
Dude, did y'all hear? I mean, I found. I mean, I think it's bullcrap. But did they? I think they intentionally sank the Titanic to kill off 3 different billionaires that were on the ship that had the resources and were actively pushing to prevent the Fed from ever existing. I mean, at this point, with all this going on, I actually believe it.
Can you take a look at IT on the weekly? Bearish shark type 2 return with bearish divergence.
Oh yeah, Gartner Incorporated, the tech company that had that bearish. Oh yeah, dude, unreal. We'll look at it. Rethink Finance. That's scan through it. It's like, oof. How does it play out there with tech? But tech is like ripe for a pullback. Yeah. Okay, so that's your big 4 cryptos. I don't even know. I don't think I like totals on this soundboard yet, but there's total. I like totals. I'm Jonathan. Hi. And you know, just range bound asset since June of last year, a 1-year long range. Good news, the 200 continues to be back tested and defended, and higher lows. That's cool. But no breakout, obviously, and it's gonna be tough. Yeah, I don't really. If it's Wyckoff accumulation, it's super strong because no more tests of the bottom of the range since January. So that's it for now. I mean, that's total, dude. Nothing really crazy going on. But what's going on for real? Something's really interesting here. Okay, kind of a highlight in crypto. If you even give a crap, I mean, I understand why you wouldn't give a crap. Okay, because it's like, what's going on? It's XMR. It's Monero that was dumping, but then look what's going on. I mean, you made a low, then you made the slightly higher low in the formal back test of a key inflection point from 2019 is support, but then a huge rally and a breakout of all levels, but then just not enough. And then a lower high comes in. It's like, oh god, we redistribution now. But now, like, this data is kind of like the low, then the 2 higher lows that are the same, but that's like maybe confirmation of accumulation. So one to really keep your eye on here is Monero, the purest, best privacy coin in the world, untraceable. And you just gotta wonder, seen this combo before with the low, then the higher low, and then it has the same low. Really pay attention to 154. That's the mega breakout level low from 2017 is right there. So do not fall asleep yet. I know Hoarder Man really digs this. I mean, I do too. I just don't know. I mean, it's okay technically. Still holding in there for now. You really want to see a break of this neckline, this double bottom neckline at 165. Still below the 200-day moving average, and you know, there's work to be done, but it's just one to pay attention to. Let's see what we can get. All right. Yeah, you had some that are up today. I mean, congrats, dude. I mean, Cardano's up 1.4%, and you know, like, a trade setup hit, I think, 2 of the 3 targets. The third target was the collapse target, right? The Babe Ruth, swing for the fences. And now, you know, you got maybe, is it type 1, type 2? It's, well, the trend's complete trash, so I'm not really sold on that at all, you know. Trend's garbage, but yeah, you might be trying to put in a type 2 return above. This would be a deep crab that never quite got to the 1.618. It was very close, though. I wonder. Buyers defending this pretty inexistent level for now. Hard to trust it. All right. Shorts covering. Yeah, I think it was the source of the intro, Brad. Look, dude. Yeah, I mean, like, what do you think, man? So weird. What is it doing? Yeah, so it's like, damn, I don't have that either, do I? Nope, can't even use my browser. Okay, so again, test stream, so bear with. All right, let's move on. Litecoin at 1%. My God, the same situation. This is almost identical to Monero. Almost identical. Look, it's like you made the low. Now you're making two lows that are the same, but both of them are higher than the previous low. So confirmation of accumulation. And the great news about LTC is when you're above $84, you can be cautiously optimistic because that level is undeniably important, right? February 2020, that peak. And above that, you can clearly see the price action that normally occurs above that. So it's not over yet for Litecoin. Nope, not at all. Not bad. Had a good day today, or not really, just kidding. It's literally at 0.01%, so better than being red, I guess. I mean, dude, like that's kind of it. I mean, altcoins, that's the extent of how good things were today. Yep, everything else is flat or red. Let's see what's going on with Hex, because everyone loves Hex. Hex is like in the same situation kind of as BNB, like a oscillator reset at a support, right? Buyers defended a level that made the most sense in the world for a potential reversal, you know, like a rally to occur. And it was just because oversold. What the? Okay, dude. But yeah, oscillators reset.
I like this.
Bearish convergence. You're probably going for a second test. If look, if buyers defend this one more time, might be a great area to at least strategize an entry, stop loss, take profits. But for now, there's no action take. Right? One is not the swing trader or position trader is not ever looking to long an asset on the first test, always the second test. If we don't get it, who cares? There are thousands of charts to look at where we can find what we're looking for. Don't settle, man, for anything in life, especially trade setups. Just because unlimited options. Okay, down a lot. You know, Zcash down a lot. Oh my god, dude, this is awful. This is miserable. This is the worst, as Michael Scott would say. A level that is so important, $26 and change. And you can't argue, because it's being backed up by looking left at history. Oh, yes, that is extremely important. March of 2017, December 2019, candle close, March 2020. You're like falling below all that now, and a massive engulfing candle. And it's the same situation where who cares? The first time a rally happens doesn't mean crap. The second time we'll talk maybe. Maybe if the sell-off occurs and we get down to 22 bucks again and a rally actually occurs, maybe there could be way more upside, but not yet. No action take on the first test. Very, very bad. Like, wow, it's the first time seeing it today. Again, I've been working on the Gartley XL spaceship all day. God. Man, get wrecked. There are other. I don't know why this keeps doing this. So weird. Band's also down 3.5%. Yeah, look at that. Jesus. Like, look at this level that was once a support. Is it now for the first time ever being regarded as resistance? That's so bad, dude. And of course, the wave structure is not complete either. Like, this is screaming 63 cents in time, all-time lows, but yeah. KNC's down 2% after the pump. Who cares? I mean, this is like profit-taking levels on a trade setup. Yeah, first time. It's happening now. I mean, just don't think it's good enough locally, like local double bottom. Oversold with no divergence. Reset the oscillator. Okay, let's see what happens next. It's so bad though. I mean, it's just terrible. Like with Bitcoin, what it's doing. And new day. And do I even have Jesus chimes? Jesus is always in our heart, but it is maybe a different situation when it comes to the chimes. Oh, I think we're good though. No way. What? Bro. I gotta do something then. I got this. I got this. I'm never gonna let y'all stray with the Jesus chimes. New day. New daily candle on Bitcoin and all the altcoins. Just a hangout candle, right? Just indecision candle. No big deal. Yep, remember, it's all about if you were gonna participate in crypto, it was Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP. And now maybe that that S coin from yesterday and the RNDR coin too. Let's look at those. Check back up on them. I don't think really anything happened today, like too big. Was it Binance or KuCoin I was looking at? Oh yeah, dude. Like, okay, yeah, sell off day. That's what I'm talking about. It's fine. Like, anything above 181 is awesome. Yep, anything above 181. Because what? That was a spring back test of spring, a confirmation of accumulation, confirmation that what was once a key support is certainly support again. It's certain because the rally ensued off of it. So that's it. Until 181 is breached by sellers, the target's 330 to 350, and that's it. So simple, man. Oh yeah, that's it, Brad. That's just the things, right? There's all the little things. The test stream. That's why it's called this. Oh, thanks what's up, man. Hey. There you go. See, it's there now. Hidden bullish evidence. Second low. Back test. Alright. Not bad. What was the other one called again? It was DMTR. Crazy looking, but you know, you figure like yesterday it barely pulled back, like down 3.75%. Knew that was probably a possibility, but this is the holy grail. I mean, like, this is when, all right, the next thing to happen is a test of the top of the harmonic. It is confirmed. Flip the chart over. This would be the worst. Oh my god, a massive markdown looks probable here. Below the 200-day moving average, it's awful. Classic bearish divergence on the second dude, just kidding. It's beautiful. It's a work of art. It's NFT worthy. If NFTs didn't cost as much in gas fees to the person buying it, I'd make an NFT of this when it does, if it does hit 10.67 cents, or at least the top of the harmonic, which are targets. Aggressive targeting for harmonics are A and C. And you can see not too much here. Man, it's a work of art, and there are just so few that look like this. All right, most of the legacy coins, legacy Beanie Baby S coin jokes, do not look like this at all. There's no accumulation on 99% of cryptos. There's only distribution, lower lows, multi-year lows, whatever. Just days ago, a week or two ago, hit the lowest low in years or whatever. Like all that. This is not the same. Okay, so let's go to the S&P 500, man. You know, that didn't really do too much today besides recover, and it was only because Apple. But here's the thing. I mean, like, up 0.37%. A bullish engulfing candle was painted on the close. You covered the previous candle. Well, I don't know. We'll see if there's follow through tomorrow. But that bamboozled probably a lot of people. You are just in the middle of two major levels, 4,300, 4,500, or 4,550. So flip your coins till a test of one of those levels occurs. So still in the bullish control zone, 66 on the RSI. It's gorgeous. Now you could say from one high to the next high, there's bearish divergence. But my God, bearish divergence has been a major disappointment lately on some of these. At least Apple and a couple of the tech names, they're just not rolling over despite how bad the divergence is. But I'm not going to not point it out. It's there, right? It's like a high. Look at the oscillator, the level of momentum, and then the higher high with a dark cloud cover of sorts, and then the lower levels. So, and it's only on the MACD histogram. It is not on the RSI at all. So, decent day. Dow Jones still in this weird limbo, top of a range, can't break levels from August and December and February and May, April, every month, right? Still hanging on above key inflection points, which is good. Just win bids, I don't know. And the problem, here's the issue, man. Like, you just can't ever get like excited about the Dow Jones, because look now, it's like in before invalidated, but good God, it's, look, how you gonna argue that here's a high and here's like a slightly higher high with lower levels on both oscillators? Like, that is implying impending price action reversal if it played out. Just don't know if it'll play out, man. Index fund, a lot of things going on, but that's there. Okay, I'm just pointing it out. Don't kill me for just pointing it out. NASDAQ composite, massive. Well, it's not massive. It's just a bullish Marabazoo, though. A rare Marabazoo where there are no wicks. Marabazoo is Japanese for like a scalped head or like a bald, right? No wicks, no hair. You get it. The Marabazoo engulfing combo. Amen. Up 0.95%. Thank you, Tech.
Hey brother, love the channel. Took an entry on Why at about 7.50, wondering where you would put stop loss and if you still see potential. This overall market meltup just feels wrong. Thanks brother. Fist.
All the data's fake and all the real economy stuff's bad. We know that. Inflation's still extremely high, real estate market, all of it, right? Just bad, man. But yeah, the equity markets are forward-looking, and they also don't represent the economy. So I get you. And like that was the same thing in January. Like, things were still bad. They still are. They were bad then. But at the same time, there was a classic accumulation structure across multiple assets and tech, and there were back tests of old resistances as supports, and then hidden bullish divergence, and you don't know, but those things are indicating a reversal to the upside. And that's it. You say your stop loss, your entry, your equitable take profits, and you move on. That's all you can do, right? We're not here to act like we know where things are going. So Under Armour looked like one that was doing something okay, similar-ish. But yeah, that's the thing, man. The index funds, all the big boys start selling off. Oh God, you know, it's going to be maybe impossible for something like Under Armour to really take off. I get that. But we'll look. We can look. You know, it is $15 quest, but that was your first super chat ever, so I'll still look at it. Okay, NASDAQ 14,171 target, and if not, then 13K. You're in between two key levels that you can't argue. They're there. Look, the peaks and the valleys in the middle right now. IWM, then just really, man, I don't know. You can't make a higher high. Can't break 188 for now. Invalidated divergence. I get it, but just. My issue is what happened before all this sideways consolidation, down, lower highs, lower lows consecutively. So the trend has not truly reversed from the downtrend we were in to an uptrend. If anything, it is just a no trend. Someone will be like, Wyckoff accumulation? Sure, okay, then prove it. Prove it by running to the top of the range, which would really be like $200. So far, only testing this one level from January of last year, and failing like it has many times before. Look, I mean, this is clearly a level where rejection happens and sell-offs occur and you go to 170. Just this time around, you know, this year, buyers been defending 170. But don't you dare put in a lower high than the previous two highs and then retest it, because it's just not good right now. It's not good yet. It's not reversed its trend despite what it looks like right now. It's hard to be optimistic yet. Okay, they're the big ones. But yeah, so let's see here. See what I can do for you. Oh, hold on, let me see. I can't go there yet. Oh man. Oh no, we cannot look at that yet. We have to go to, there are all these other ones. Wow. Charles Schwab was first. Hey bro, we're Charles Schwab. We know what happened to Binance. We're starting a crypto exchange. Come on and please take a look. Yeah, I have no faith. I think that these institutions, these banks, man, are ugly as so ugly. Oh my God, you want to see how bad it is? Dr. Fish. He's gonna go be a fish doctor 3 times. How in the world do you make a high after crashing and then make the exact same high and then lower levels on the histogram, which you know what that means? That's class B bearish, class B classic bearish divergence. At this point, that's so bad. That's so bearish. Can't even take out the high from April 20th. April 20th.
Is that a joke?
All right, so you know, you think 5150, the key level from 2019 is going to be tested again, and if it doesn't hold, then you're probably going to flush. And your target's $38. This has been the target. I mean, I can't believe it. Well, I mean, it literally took Federal Reserve intervention. $500 billion had to be injected into the market in order for this thing to not see $38. So after that, it's like, okay, now it's the buyer's chance to present to us their argument for why everything's fine. Why eventually these buyers are gonna rival the previous highs, which is an insurmountable feat at this point. Look how far away in price it is, right? Might as well be another galaxy far away, because it is. And what their argument is now presenting to us is there are not near enough of them that exist to even come close to rivaling the previous discernible highs. So if we're just looking at Schwab, we're not looking at all the banks. This is very ominous. This is very ugly right here. Disgusting so far. It's like looking at an S coin. There is no technical argument to own it at all. None. Zero. Not one. That's all I can say. I mean, that was a contribution request. Dr. Fish, dude. If you're a doctor, Schwab needs it. But my crypto exchange didn't work. Fell on deaf ears. No one cares. Sorry, dude. That's right, Gulch. You said the Empire did nothing wrong. Correct, dude. They didn't. Just kidding. They did. They were genocidal, maniac, authoritarian people. So let's go. Chase wanted POLX. All right. On KuCoin. It's the only place. Polyastic. Well, I remember this was an M shape, and then it went lower. Then it went below. It hit the 886. Did this, rallied, and then just collapsed again. Now you're at all-time lows, right? Yep, all-time lows, man. Yeah, there's insane divergence, like crazy bullish divergence. So I'm not gonna say you're not at a level where one could attempt to strategize an entry, stop loss, take profits. I'm not saying you aren't, but it's polyastic. It's on one exchange only. It is not showing a local double bottom, a local confirmation low. It just made its lowest price since December of last year. It pumped, it dumped. That's about all it is. And after this pump symbolizes that there are far less market participants than before, and I don't even know, go further up there, no point. It's worthless. It will probably become more worthless. And yeah, divergence is there, but so far the divergence is just manifested into not collapsing. That's about it. So, just testing that open, that listing price from May of 2021. You see it? That's it. Again, if you have money that you're willing to trade, you worked hard for it, just this one, why not Render? Why not Demetria, whatever it's called? Why not ones with the holy grail setups, with confirmation lows, back test of supports, higher lows, completed harmonics, not violated? Like, why not? One would. They would not settle. This would be settling. Oh, it's kind of okay, but so much baggage. I don't know, man. Good luck. At support, I'm not going to say it's not. Anyone can set up a stop loss somewhere below these levels and take profit at 8394 up there if they wanted. But it's just one low, not a second low. Well, TikTok hi, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Welcome to How's I Monak. Okay, let's go to my favorite coin of all time, Harry Potter, Obama coin. We all know and love. Can't remember which one to look at anymore. On Uniswap. Ah, okay. Yeah, Harry Potter that played out. Well, I mean, you got that. Look at the false bearish breakdown, right? A confirmed bearish breakdown with a bearish engulfing and then zero follow through. Not about the breakdown itself, it's about the follow through. The follow through was rejection of the breakdown back above it. And nice candle yesterday. Just hanging out, you know, I mean, anything above 48.62 is okay. Gotta wonder if it's like, gotta wonder, you really do. Is it one low here, and here's the second low, and you know that would turn into a deep retrace to 786, 886 up here, because you just imagine the it's like a dragon almost, where you think about, oops, what the. Right, the lower low on C, and then the D would be the 886, a shark. So it could be going for a big attempted rally. But yeah, I don't know. That's it. Not bad. Anything above this level is okay. 48.62. Anonymous, thank you, dude. Let's go to IT. He wants to look at on the Gartner Incorporated on the weekly. Oh yeah, dude, this is like, holy crap, man. This could be legendary. It really could. I mean, this is like possibly an NFT, a piece of art that is yet to really play out. This is so perfect, man. This is a textbook setup here. Stop loss, you know, maybe at like 369 for the memes, and let it ride. You know, that's it. It's set up for a massive reversal. Flip this chart over. It's the look. It's like, oh my god. Could be crazy. I mean, like cycle reversal, like complete trend reversal, like that. And eventually it'll run and it'll fill some gaps, but it'll probably never make a lower low or even test that low from 2020. It'll just be a more pronounced rally or sell off and then pivot and then consolidate and then probably run to all-time highs later. I'm just saying, yes, this is unbelievably nice. He wants the weekly though, which yeah, does look like a snack. And here's the thing, oh my god, dude. If the sell-off's real, if we catch any follow-through in the coming weeks, could you imagine on the type 2 return, class B bearish divergence developing? Because it's kind of early, really early to say that it's happening, because it's just like the first week and you're seeing waning momentum. But dude, that would be telling. And where would it would revert to the mean? Here would your target would be the channel, the trend that takes you back to 2010, the global financial crisis. Yeah. $200 target, 197 is a gap fill. Oh, that makes plenty of sense to me anyway. I don't know, just me. So yeah, this is gorgeous. This is setting up to be one of the most legendary looking charts out there for a reversal to the downside. Yeah, it looks nice. And it's been in development since November of 2021. That's psycho. That's a structural development the size of Jupiter since we're in space. 588 days in development. Dang, man. Crazy. Bitcoin back above $30,000. We all love Bitcoin because of its fundamental value.
Gentlemen in the mix.
So let's finally get to that. Yeah, a little disappointing for sure. These are things that can happen. It's not too bad yet. Not too bad yet. But let me show you. This is Under Armour. That you know, there is definitely a thought that a good reversal could be happening, but it's had a bad 3 days because the index funds and 738 level. Trying to defend it, my God, that was the whole strategy. Was like, if buyers are defending that and holding it, then we're good. You could probably get away with a 715 level 2, but below that, I don't know, man. Like it's getting sketch below these levels. But you're not yet. You're there. You're at it, and yeah, it's been a bad couple days, but there's no stop loss. Like a stop loss would be somewhere below 715, I think. That's it. So it's okay for now, just not performing well in the past few days. That's all I can say about UAA. I mean, we're talking a potential type 2 return on the weekly and monthly. Look at this. 886, not once, but now twice. And on the second test, you're locally maybe getting a double bottom here, which is the M shape itself. So yeah, it could be better, but I think you just gotta have some more patience on this one. You're at the basement of basements. Our Fibonacci's telling us that. Like this is like 886s within 886s, amen. So you're doing the right thing. Appreciating something like this for a potential reversal, but they don't always play out. So you just understand that it's a game of probabilities. And when you get stopped out, your losses are minimal. They're not large. All right, that's how you get screwed. Playing the market is, you're not playing the market normally when you get screwed, because stop losses happen, but they're tight and they're there for a reason. They're not just random. I mean, yeah, there's one reason is to protect yourself from losing a lot of money. You can do that anywhere, but like with what's taught here and other places that are good, high quality, you're setting your stop loss up at an inflection point and a completed M shape, and other things too can happen, right? So to make the argument strong, so you're just reacting here on this chart with divergence, man. Just no real follow through yet. There you go, Chris. What's up with that watch list? Yeah, so Amazon had a great day today. Like a Jesus candle, 4.26%. This is an active trade setup. First target's 135.79, the 50% retrace. And just testament to the things that you look for on an asset to take along, right? I mean, in no way could I have ever known in my wildest dreams that this was going to be the outcome of a piercing line reversal occurring at a key inflection point from history from 2018, 2019, and then of course 2022. But we know what to look for, and we know where to look for them at to set up strategic entries and stop losses below that. So in case it failed, you take on minimal losses, but if it succeeds, wow, big payout. And look at this. So I think Chris gets that. Under Armour, it may never play out, but sometimes it does, and it plays out big. It was done really well today. Google up 2%, massive, well, not massive, just a bullish engulfing candle. It's not over yet. The buyers are not done yet, they say. Would love to see a 618 be broken, because that was the second target of this trade setup that was posted back in March. And the Babe Ruth, the third target's the 886 at 143. It's not over yet. I could still see that. But again, the trade setup was posted, and it wasn't because I thought I knew for a fact, I know where the market's going next. It's not about that. It's just about being able to recognize patterns and context, and the context being a back test, a spring back test of spring in January, but you know, second low and a huge rally, oh man, and then the sell-off, say, oh my god, the third low. We know about the third low. Tesla, you know, had a good day today after yesterday, just almost a bearish and golden candle yesterday and no follow through today. Still closed lower than the open yesterday, but crazy. Microsoft that hit all-time highs last week, trying to recover, and is trying to test these levels back from 2021 again. Apple was up today, all-time highs, highest daily candle close ever, and maybe by like 1 penny, highest intraday price ever. Closed at 187, first time in human history. And a really nice engulfing candle, bullish Marabazoo. This is all happening above the old all-time high. That is extremely powerful stuff. Wow. Warren Buffett, BlackRock, Vanguard, Berkshire, all of them, man. This is the one. This is their bread and butter. And Micron that showed that amazing ascending triangle. And then once it broke out, it went to the next resistance and then a dark cloud cover, and now it's kind of getting kind of sketch. It's still broken out, but in between these two levels, you can see the correlation of price. It's crazy, man. Just looking around, okay. American Airlines, that same pattern, accumulation. It was really good looking. Buy Bitcoin is trending. The hashtag, Johnny, thank you for the 2 and the update, social media update, man. Well, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I'll buy it together. Price is not relevant to me or most people in this chat community or anyone that cares about Bitcoin. I mean, it's not. It's deeper than that. It's a statement. To own Bitcoin is a literal statement that you are participating in an alternative world to the Ponzi, fiat, scammy, dark, you know, like, I don't know, behind the scenes, the puppet masters pulling the strings, you know, you're participating in another market. So American Airlines, you just can't argue here. Like the 2008 and 2010 resistances have flipped support not once, but now twice. It's gorgeous. So the upside potential is insane. I mean, at least 19, but then 25 after that. This is like a type 2 return on the weekly. So hasn't fully played out yet. But this is the same structure that you saw on Google, same context too. Spring back test of spring.
Bounty hunters. We don't need that scum.
It's Roberto. We all know Roberto. How you doing, man? Thanks for coming to the spaceship. Delta, same situation, man. Just ungodly spring back test. 2014. And look at the breakout of the descending broadening wedge, but up against an inflection point. Well, it actually broke that high from June 2014. I think there's just a lot of chop here, man. You really got to just, if you break it cleanly, wow, $51 plus. But this is definitely a level where reversals have occurred. History tells us that. The reversals themselves have told us this. Look how many times the upthrust and failure to break this level. Stupid amount, right? But, you know, the context here is really good. I like it. Lows also really looking interesting here, okay? So you like had the downtrend, but it just was a joke, you know, like not making a deep retrace from the 2021 lows. And then what? A break of the supply line, and then a very nice Gartley pattern, kind of with a type 2 return right there. And then what does it turn into? Just, this is a reaccumulation structure, the ascending triangle, and near the breakout.
The dollar is called a nickel, and the real name of Bitcoin is called money. Let that sink in.
The real name of the dollar is called a nickel. So the real name of the dollar was literally a dollar. Yeah, Ken, it's been a long time. I have no idea in the last spaceship stream. Nick, what do you mean it didn't play out? Unfortunately, this isn't a... Dude, we're looking at the daily. It didn't play out. It's not invalid either. What do you mean it didn't play out? It's like no time's gone by since we identified the confirmation low. No, that's not how it works here. Sometimes these things take months to play out. So it's like patient people win. So look, I mean, this is reaccumulation structure, and you know, breakout's going to take you to 255 probably for an 886 retrace. Yeah, I like it, man. Looking really kind of special here. You know, this one here, Corvo, man, I mean, just similar type behavior to some of the ones before they played out. Like, look at this high from 2015. Look how you fell below it. Oh no, it's over for Corvo. And then the buyers pushed the price back above the level. Then they formally reconfirmed what was once a resistance is now support. Then a nice rally ensued, but then another sell-off. But then it's like a confirmation that that level is support, and a rally has ensued. But you know, it's down marginally, and you know, $106, kind of the target to break. I don't know, man. The major one's not even that. What is that? Why is that even there? I'm confused. Because if you look here, it's like the only real resistance is kind of like here at 112, the high from June, August last year, and then February this year. Yeah, extend that out to that swing low. Yeah, that's the level, and it hasn't even tested it again, but I think it will. I mean, this is good context. Confirmation of accumulation, confirmation of resistance at support. This is like the similar type stuff that Ethereum did in July last year, where it made its lowest low, then two lows that are the same, but they're both higher than the lowest low. Man, and there was divergence right here. So it's good, just not really playing out too much yet. Nvidia just, you know, near all-time highs, just the freight train that's run away. There's nothing to do here. The only time there was to do something was back here at the beginning of the year. This was identified, it screamed about, it was there. It would just go back to the streams and look at it. Identified in the nice back test.
Thoughts on CRV?
On the right shoulder.
Plus partly on the daily.
CRV. Let me guess, near all-time lows, right? Garbage. We'll look at it. Thank you. Yeah, this is just crazy. There's no TA here. There's Fibonacci levels. That's it. All-time highs. Crazy. Why'd y'all see? You know, those are some of the winners today. And the losers, though. My God, what was that one? I posted a trade setup on it because it was so perfect. So perfect. So yeah, NWG. God, it's a bank, man. Posted last week. Just like here are the reasons, man. Look at this level. Takes you back to 2011. Swing lows. All right, so falling, you know, confirming, yeah, nice rally, man, and then substantially lower than the previous highs, and then just falls below 652, and it's like, that's it, it's done. And it's just been cascading down. And look at this, you know. Hold on, I think I have that one.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, look at the shooting star of all shooting stars. One high, second high, third high, shooting star. Good God. Only down 1% today, but that's like the breaking point. You cannot be bullish below 650, 690. It is only bearish, and probably target a 423. Now look at, it's just a downtrend, man. Pathetic. All right. I think a lot of the banks look like this too, so it's no like nothing crazy here. Yeah, let's look at Square. That's down 2% today. And no, man, just it's not. It's fine. It's well. The entry was like legit $57, right? So you got a nice reaction off the inflection point from history, off the pattern completion zone of the bullish bat. You might be coming back down for type 2. No big deal though, because if you entered at the right, if you entered on the date of the trade setup publication, my God, you're up a nice amount, quick. It's just you're not gonna moon every day. You're gonna, price is gonna go sideways. It's summertime, and everything's good here though still. This is almost an identical setup to the Under Armour trade. This one just caught some reaction, some bids. Under Armour has not caught really any bids yet, so it happens. Okay, CRV for dude. CRV for BK. Do we just do KuCoin or we do Binance? I'd always looked at Binance, but now I'm like, do I even do that now? God. Yeah, I mean, you're not wrong, dude. You're not wrong about a harmonic completing. But dude, I just hate this, like high then the lower high. I mean, you know, look, you're right. You are completely on point for identifying an M shape that is near or at completion. See, it's a Gartley, yeah, it's a Gartley, I guess. I'm just like, what kind of hope do we have on a Gartley 786 on CRV? I would just always want to wait for an 886, man. Like 886 just sets you free. It gets you close to that low from June of 2022. And also this one little low from January 2021. I think it's just always more prudent. It's a Gartley, kind of 56%, so not quite a 618, and not 3% differentiation either off that level. So still kind of in bat territory. I think it's just always more conservative to wait for an 886, and it's right there, and it's pretty nice. So that's what I got for you. There's no edge either, right? No bullish divergence on the 786. What a joke. So then rally like a loser, reset the oscillator because it was really oversold. It was the most oversold reading seen since August 2020. So pretty much 3-year lows on the RSI. So a reset. So then it can get out of oversold territory. It's done that. So it can become oversold again, and just wait for the 886, man. 50 cents to 46 cents, I think would be prudent. Remember, it's the S-Coin market, so just give me something, man. Price action. All right, so been live now over an hour. If you're enjoying the live stream, the
Gentlemen,
spaceship stream, hit that like button, the bell, sub. Thanks for being here. It's quiet out here in space, but can y'all hear it? Space ambience, man. You should really be able to hear that over the music, I think. Yeah, but I should wear headphones on these streams anyway, so I can hear it myself. Okay, so let's just look at gold real quick. Sorry, gold's it's pretty awesome though. I mean, like in the end, how awesome these 8/8s, these shark patterns are. I mean, it took a minute, but maybe you'll go for 50% retrace of bullish 5/0 here, low to high. For a bullish 5/0 would be the pattern completion zone of the bullish 5/0 would be between 1787 and 1840. So this would be the target area for the 5/0 to complete. Yeah, clearly like 1790s seems like the strongest area. That's a big support resistance, man. So it could be good to wait a little bit. Perfect. I mean, that's TA respect right there. We just looked at IT completing with a type 2 return. How insane is that? 588-day pattern. So and at any time, you know, like gold could pivot and then rally and then type 2 return and then it's over. Oh my God. If this was the IT chart, it'd be like this. Like right there. That's where IT would be, and that's like the most strategic, low risk short one could actually ever do. They could ever take. It's awesome. Actionable despite what happens next. Having a trading plan. Have your trading plan. Ask why for everything you do. Why am I longing? Why am I shorting? Why am I longing at this place, at this area? Why is my stop loss? Why is my entry? Why is my take profit where it is? Answer those questions before you ever take a position. If you don't know how to ask those questions or how to answer those questions, it's probably best not to trade because you're not really trading, are you? Funkzilla, here you go, man. Yeah, disappointing. mRNA was another one. It's just like, dang, man, you can't catch the bids. Like I guess it's over. You know, like another way to interpret maybe mRNA would be a really nasty right-angled ascending broadening formation continuation pattern. Yeah, I get that too. I mean, this is support breaking kind of. It's really tough because it's just like a zone. Once you break 118.50, which you're about to, I mean, this is like a bubble pop, $56 target eventually, but yeah, this again, it's like you take your chance, but yeah, why have we tested it so many times? Why so many failures? I get that. I completely understand on why this would fail, but it completed, there was divergence, and now it's just no bids, so might be out of this one quick once that breaks the waterfall. Whew. Take a look back at natural gas because it was looking really pretty. Still is looking real nice here. Yeah, once this 267 level's broken, oh my God, look out. Double in price. It's there though. One low, then the second low. And with the second low, you get the luxurious, discernible pattern that's been studied and researched, right? With the hidden divergence. It's just in the back test of spring. It's incredible. So it's a very powerful argument for upside, just like a very powerful downside argument back in August of last year with the one high, the big sell-off, the second high at where you wouldn't even believe it, at that old all-time high from 2001, man. It was there. Go watch the stream. And then the head and shoulders developed in its Terra Luna all over again, and then another head and shoulders on the way down, and just everything's changed now. The sellers are done, and now the composite man's accumulating natural gas because this is the level where big reversals can and do occur in history, right? Natural gas, man, looking good for now. Got to break out though. You haven't done that. What's up, Julia? Yeah, spaceship stream. It's the spaceship stream. Oh my god, dude, what the... Yeah, a lot of stuff's just not set up yet, but it will be. Yeah, we'll do one thing before I go, okay? I think I do have that set up. Let's see if we can do it right. All right. For old time's sake, right? That was it for you, chat. That's all I have for today. So thanks for coming by. We'll be back again at some point. More kinks to work out, but very grateful for all the support. Each and every one of you show, just by watching, liking, subbing, contributing, whatever, being in the Discord, you name it. Kind words, all of it. So I'll be back. Until next time, respect the TA.
Gentlemen in the mix.